Okay, so to do the extended double crochet, you're going to yarn over and insert your hook into your next stitch under the top 2 loops. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and then this is where it changes. You're going to yarn over and pull through just that first loop. Then we're going to work as a regular double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into your next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through just that first loop. That's what's going to make it extended. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 and yarn over and pull through the second 2. So regular speed, it looks something like this. Again, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So that's the super fast extended double crochet. If you need a slower, more in-depth tutorial, check out that video. But thank you for watching.